Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Z71s equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. You can see this truck is finished off in black. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior now. Starting up front, you'll see we have a really nice two-tone design. You can see some gray trim in the middle section of the grille along with down below, and it even wraps around the fog lights, just breaking the black up a little bit and to give it a cooler look. You'll see we have really nice lines running down the hood and then the Rocky Ridge logo running across the top of the windshield. This truck is sitting on a 4-inch Rocky Ridge suspension lift kit. You'll also notice we have a really nice set of two-tone wheels. They measure 18 inches wrapped in a 33-inch all-terrain tire. And then to accommodate those wheels and tires, we have the oversized fender flares just to give it that added aggressive look, not only from the side profile, but from the front and the rear as well. Being a lifted truck, you need an easy way to enter and exit, so we have the MFAB running boards running on both sides, of course. You can also see the K2 Rocky Ridge badge on the lower section of the door. We have the same wheel and tire setup for the rear, and then making our way to the back now, you'll see Chevrolet stamped into the tailgate. We also have the Rocky Ridge badge in the right side. We have the backup camera. We have all the parking sensors integrated into the body colored bumper along with a step on each side. And this also features the easy lower and lift tailgate, so it will automatically lower down, making it very convenient, and it's light enough to close this with one hand. This truck has a lot of great features to go through. We'll start off with this 8-inch touchscreen system. It features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's very user-friendly, so you can swipe through all of this information quickly. You'll see we have a really nice layout underneath that, along with the buttons for the heated seats. This truck also has a two-tone dash just to give it a really nice look. We have these really nice trim pieces running throughout the center, along with on all of the doors. And then my favorite feature for the Rocky Ridge package is these leather seats. You'll see the Rocky Ridge badge embroidered in the headrest, along with all of the red stitching running down the bolsters and the diamond pattern running through the insert. You'll see on the left side of the steering wheel, we have the selector for four-wheel drive, along with the power adjustments for the driver's seat. Now this truck is based off of the full crew cab, so we have plenty of room for rear seat passengers, and you can see that design runs to these seats as well. There's also some nice amenities like USBs and 12 volts, so you can charge electronics, and we have very versatile seating. We can take the bottoms of the seats and fold them up to give you a little bit more storage space, and you can also fold the backrest down as well. Alright, so getting our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package out on the road now, you're definitely going to like this truck. It rides and drives just like a factory Colorado, so while we have the larger lift and the oversized tires, they're very quiet. You can barely hear them. It's very well insulated on the interior here, but the ride quality is what you're going to expect from a factory Colorado. So I love how well put together these kits are, and it also comes with a warranty along with the speedometer recalibration. So you can drive this right off the lot. It is ready to go. It has an aggressive stance from the exterior with the oversized fender flares, the wheels and tires as I already mentioned. And then on the interior, we have a lot of nice features with these upgraded seats. We have the infotainment system, which is very easy to go through, user-friendly at the same time. And then we have a nice row of buttons just underneath that. But moving back to the handling, as we come around some of these turns at normal speeds, like I said earlier, it handles just like a factory Colorado, which is great to see. And then with this Gibson exhaust, we can give it a little bit of gas. Definitely adds to the aggressiveness of this truck overall. You're definitely going to enjoy driving this every single day. Along with that, we have the four-wheel drive selector, so you can take this off the pavement if you'd like to, and plenty of room on the interior for a mid-sized truck. So there's a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Colorados equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. Definitely an awesome truck. It has a lot of great features and a very aggressive exterior, as you can see. If you want more information on this truck and to schedule your test drive to get this out on the road for yourself, you can check out all of our contact information down in the description below.